Hey guys, good morning. I'm meteorologist Kevin Jeans. This afternoon, 84 degrees for the high, but today we'll have an increasing chance of showers and thunderstorms. Right now, the impact of severe weather seems pretty low, but there could occasionally be some strong wind gusts in some of these thunderstorms that do develop. So by really later this morning and into the early afternoon, that's our best chance of showers and thunderstorms, and then we'll have a decreasing chance of rain then later this evening, and then tonight eventually turning mostly clear. It's also going to be a bit cooler tonight and a little breezy. 61 degrees for the overnight temperature. Winds will be out of the west 10 to 20 miles per hour tonight, but cooler conditions expected tonight and through the next several days. So throughout this morning, it could be a shower or a storm, and we'll keep the chance of rain in until about 5 or 6 o'clock or so, and then the chance of rain is going to be going down after that. Friday afternoon, then again, we could have a few lingering showers, quick passing showers. Shouldn't be a big deal Friday, but we're going to be in the 70s then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So 84 today, and then we're in the mid to upper 70s through the weekend. Still a 30% chance of a few afternoon and early evening showers Friday. Otherwise, Saturday and Sunday, just some clouds overhead, but overall things look dry for the weekend and cool. Morning temperature is going to be near 60, and again, afternoon highs are going to stay in the 70s through the weekend.